Ready for some snack time entertainment? Today we're flipping things upside down with the ultimate Oreo pack flip trick shot. Let's see if this sweet stunt lands. Our trick shot artist gives the Oreo pack a perfect toss, aiming for a clean flip and upright landing. It's simple in theory, but trickier than it looks. Success! The Oreo pack lands upright, no hands, no edits, just the perfect flip. It's a crunchy victory worth celebrating. Asia Grocery Company delivers your favorite treats worldwide because fun and flavor go hand in hand wherever you are. Try your own Oreo trick shot today.